In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook calendar with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have your tasks flowing from ClickUp into your Outlook calendar so you can see your work and schedule in one place. First, open ClickUp and sign in. Look to the top right corner for your profile icon, then click it and choose Apps or App Center. This is the central hub where all integrations live. If you're part of multiple workspaces, quickly confirm you're in the one where you want the calendar connection. If you don't see App Center, try using the web app in a desktop browser and make sure your role has permission to manage integrations. Once you're in the App Center, use the search bar to find Outlook Calendar. Type Outlook Calendar and select the integration card that appears. Be sure you're picking the calendar integration, not something related to email or Teams. This page gives you a brief overview of what the connection will do. Allow ClickUp to send tasks to your Outlook calendar. Next, click Configure or Connect to start linking your accounts. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Choose the Outlook or Microsoft 365 account you want to use and complete the sign-in. You'll see a permissions prompt. Approve it so ClickUp can add the relevant events to your calendar. If you're using a company account, you may need admin approval. If a pop-up doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up blocker. After you're connected, you'll set the sync options. Choose the ClickUp location you want to sync, space, folder, or list. Think of space as the broadest category, folder as a subset, and list as the most specific. This choice controls which tasks are considered for the calendar. Then decide whether to sync all tasks from that location or only tasks assigned to you. Selecting Assigned to You is helpful if you only want your personal workload to appear. Keep in mind that tasks need dates like due dates or start and end dates to show up on a calendar. When you're happy with your selections, click Save. The sync will kick off right away. Give it a moment, then check your Outlook calendar. Refresh if needed, and make sure you're looking at the correct calendar view. If something's missing, verify the task has a date and falls within the location you selected. You can always return to the App Center to adjust settings or disconnect. That's it. Your Outlook calendar is now synced with ClickUp. Thanks for watching.